Hi cousin, let me show you how I make my pepper steak. Easy and straight to the point. All of the ingredients are going to be listed in the description bar or caption, but I'm going to be working with almost 1 pound of top round steak. This is thin cut top round steak, also known as carne de bola to Hispanics. After I wash and clean my meat, I'm going to layer all of the slices together, so one on top of the other, because this makes it easier and faster to cut. First, I'm going to mark where I'm going to cut it. This is all depending how thick or how thin you like your slices of pepper steak, and it makes it really easy to cut everything at the same time. Placing my meat in a bowl, I'm going to start seasoning. With the 2 large tablespoons of sofrito, I have this video up on my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to follow up with 1 heaping tablespoon of garlic paste. I also have this up on my page. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of ground oregano, followed by a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of adobo or any kind of sazon completo that you prefer to use, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, also known as salsa inglesa in Spanish, and I'm going to give this a really good mix to season it well and incorporate all the flavors. Once I have this seasoned, I'm going to cover my bowl with aluminum foil and I'm going to stick it in the fridge for at least an hour to marinate before I start cooking. Once I start cooking, I'm going to have my pan going on medium-high heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and allow that to heat up for at least 2 minutes. Then I'm going to start adding in my meat, little by little until I fill up my pan. Once all of my meat is in the pan, I'm going to allow this to cook uncovered for 10 minutes on medium-high heat. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water to my seasoning bowl. The bowl where I seasoned the meat, that's full of flavor. I'm going to add 1 cup of water and I'm going to add this to the meat. This is going to create the sauce. I'm going to add that in there, mix things around, and I'm going to allow this to cook for another 10 minutes, still on medium-high heat, uncovered. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to mix everything around, and after that, it's time for the veggies. In go my red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onion. The bell peppers that you choose are subjective to your taste. Wait a minute, I have tongs, right? Let me grab those. I'm going to mix all of my veggies into the meat, and then I'm going to cover my pot. And I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes on a medium-low flame covered. Remember, cover your pot, lower the flame to medium-low, 15 minutes. At the end of those 15 minutes, your pepper steak is done, cousin. It was super easy to make and super quick because this meat tenderizes really quickly. What are you gonna pair this with? White rice, moro, or mashed potatoes? Thank you for watching, cousin. See you again next time.